Ladies and gentlemen, if you would, these guys and girls have been working hard for you all night. I want you to give them a great big round of applause. On the piano, from Nashville, Tennessee, is Mr. Al Babiak. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy right here comes from a mega metropolis known as Lake Alfred, Florida. My good friend, Mr. Sean Bryant on the bass. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest guitar players I've ever heard in my life, from Chicago, Illinois, Mr. Tom Madden. And ladies and gentlemen, singing and looking beautiful tonight, let's hear from Michelle Bradford. And ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful and the just so talented Miss Cheryl Crenshaw, ladies and gentlemen. And ladies and gentlemen, last but certainly not least is the guy with the #1 hair on this stage. He won the Ultimate Hair Contest back in 1921. He's one of my great friends, ladies and gentlemen. On the drums from Chicago, Mr. John Crenshaw. And people they think he's Brian May all the time from Queen. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Do it. No, stop. I'll give you fame, fortune, everything that goes with it. And I think you are. No, stop. I do the king, not the queen, man. That's a good one. Actually, I do the queen too. That's a different queen. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you